Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to take a look at the possibility, and I would say a very strong probability, of severe weather in the areas you see highlighted here in eastern Texas, up through Arkansas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, even up into Indianapolis, Ohio over the weekend, especially Friday and Saturday. Here's a bulletin put out by the National Weather Service highlighting two areas. The one on the left Friday, the one on the right Saturday. Orange and yellow, those areas are going to be primed for the possibility of tornadoes, high winds, large hail, flash flooding. Everything on the menu is going to be possible Friday and Saturday in these areas. So you need to be ready and have a plan. We might see some rare January tornadoes coming up Friday and Saturday. This is the lifted index. I use this all the time at benchesky.com. And when I see these dark colors on here, that tells me that the atmosphere is unstable, and it's being predicted to be unstable. Friday, we're looking at Friday morning at 8 a.m. and it's going to continue like that through Saturday into Saturday afternoon and evening. This is Friday evening at 11 p.m. and you can see a very sharp line there. That's the line between cold air and warm air. It's supposed to be very warm over here in the coming days. In some areas 20, 30, and 35 degrees above average. Well, along that line, you're going to have basically a clash of the titans, if you will. Cold air coming down from Canada. You've got this warm, moist air coming up from the tropics. When they collide over the Midwest, that warm and cold air is going to spark a lot of severe weather. Everything on the menu once again. So I can't emphasize enough, if you're in these areas highlighted in burgundy, orange, and yellow, Friday and Saturday could be very active on the severe weather scene. Flash flooding is definitely a possibility. They're talking in some areas 1 to 2 inches of rain per hour. It's even showing up here at nullschool.net, and it's showing us that warm air, cold air line. And along that line, you could see heavy ice. You could see snow north of that line up in Chicago, Michigan, Wisconsin. This is going to cover a very large area Friday and Saturday. You're looking at the atmospheric instability right now, Friday morning at 5 a.m. We're going to hop ahead to Friday at 11 p.m. and then over into Saturday. And you're going to see it move slowly in through Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi. This is Saturday morning, and then make its way towards the East Coast during the afternoon and evening on Saturday. By Saturday evening, most of the unstable air will have moved offshore, and things will kind of be back to some sense of normalcy, not counting the power outages that this is going to possibly cause. There could be a lot of power outages from these storm systems. Weathercharts.com is showing the same thing. I've cross-referenced every platform that I use, and they're all showing the potential for very severe weather Friday and Saturday of this coming week. So if you're in these areas, once again, be prepared. Here's windy.com showing the possibility of 2 inches of rain in a very short period of time in West Dallas, in the Fort Worth area. In fact, the entire Dallas area. So look for flash flooding there. At least that's what the models are showing us right now. Once again, the severe weather outlook from the National Weather Service. Friday and Saturday in these areas, definitely a possibility for tornadoes in those areas on Friday and Saturday. I've got a few photos I want to share with you guys. Here's one from Sydney, Australia. This is the sun behind the smoke-filled skies out of Sydney. Photo sent in by 10 Baller. Here's another one sent in by 10 Baller. This was on my Twitter page. That photo and that photo there sent in by a young lady from Sydney. This one here looks like an angel up in the sky. Look at that. Perfect angel. Sydney, Australia. Again, sent in by 10 Baller. I've also got this photo here of these wildfires. I got this a couple of days ago. This was from January the 5th. Craig looking down above Victoria. Very bright orange. That's in the forest, I think. That's in a national forest where the fire was burning intensely January the 5th. I'm not exactly sure where that photo came from. Once again, there's the sun through the smoke-filled skies of Sydney. Once again, guys, big heads up. If you're in these areas Friday and Saturday, have a tornado plan. You might need it. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.